Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and better late than never, right? But today we're about to go and unbox the Galaxy S20 FE 5G that came out a little bit ago now. But today we're about to go and unbox this thing, compare it a little bit to my Pixel 5 and my OnePlus Nord and all that stuff, but I can't be too long because the Bears game is on right now. But yeah, anyway, so let's get into it. Alright, so we're here at the legendary unboxing table, of course, as usual. Just like a black person to be late to everything but a plate of food. Am I right or am I wrong? Because I know I'm right. Can't take black folks anywhere, can you? But anyways, oh man, that's funny. Cause it's true. I know y'all black folks just sitting at home shaking your heads like, yeah, he ain't lying. Anyways, let's go and see what's up with Samsung's cheaper alternative to the Galaxy S20. So this is supposed to be an S20 with the specs and everything, but with a cheaper price tag. So you don't get some things like a glass back and everything like that. And I'm not sure about wireless charging and all that, but I know we do have the flagship specs like the processor and I think the RAM too. But yeah, so just looking at the box real quick, honestly, it don't look like it looks pretty nice. You see all the icons here and everything. Like we have the brightness, I think we have dog mode, and we have the full aspect ratio. Like, I don't know, I like that. Now, we didn't have these icons here and everything like we did on the S20 Ultra, but I don't know, I like this. Anyways, we have the S20 here just sitting on the front with the S20 FE 5G, and then on the left we have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. So this is a 5G phone, and on the right we have nothing. On the back we just have some info here, like what's inside the box. At the top we have here, I don't know, scan with the transparency app, I don't really know what that is. And at the bottom we just have my model number and stuff. So like I said, I'm gonna make this quick, cause I got a Bears game on. Alright, so first time looking at the S20 FE 5G. So I didn't know I have a flat screen. Okay, so just the color right away, it's looking pretty good. So it kind of looks like my Sunrise Gold Galaxy S9 Plus. But looking around here, oh yeah, that looks nice, man. That's sick. So we already have a screen protector on here, not very good at all, so I will be taking that off, but we do have one on here. So let's go and take that off, and then let's go and take off the one on the back. So if you look at the back here, like, yeah, it definitely feels like plastic. Like, you can't get around that at all. But I mean, we have the same camera layout here that you find really on the Galaxy Note 20 and things like that. So I don't know, that's nice. Anyways, here we're gonna just go and turn that on there with this power button here. It's just sitting on the side. So we have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. And inside the box, we have a Samsung thing. I don't really know what that's all about. But we have our charger in here. And then it looks like we have a 15-watt charger. So it's USB-A to USB-C. And I did get unlocked, by the way, just in case you're wondering. But here we go. So it looks like it's turning on now, so cool. And it looks like the bezels on here, the bezels really ain't bad. Like, I'm a fan of curved screens. I just gotta put that out there, so don't go crazy in the comments when I say that. But yeah, I like my curved screens. So I know it's a cheaper phone, so I'm not really complaining too much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So when you actually get an S20 FE right now, you actually get $50 in order credits. So this was part of my $50. I will unbox this, but in another video. Anyways, on the front we have the 6.5-inch screen with a hole punch here. We have an earpiece, which I'm assuming is a speaker too at the top. On the right side we have our power button and our volume rockers. On the back we have our 3 cameras here, so I'm gonna assume that this is a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto, but don't quote me on that. And then we have a flash. At the bottom we got our Samsung logo with my IMEI and all that stuff. On the left side we don't got nothing. At the top we have our SIM/SD card tray with a microphone. And at the bottom we have our USB-C port, another microphone, and we have a speaker. So just because it's cheap, we don't get a headphone jack. Also, you can't forget there's still more stuff underneath this box. So let's go and take this out of here real quick, and I think it's just our user manual and stuff with our SIM/SD card ejector. And yeah, just what I thought. So what do we do with this? We throw it to the side. But I'm about to go and set this thing up real quick, y'all, so let me go and get through this and I'll get back to y'all. And y'all, looks like we're in the phone now, so pretty cool. So I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but I'm using my S10 5G right now because I sent out my Galaxy Fold to get exchanged. So I think I want to use this until I get my Galaxy Fold back, honestly, and I do notice that 120Hz screen. Anyways, you can't see the 6.4-inch screen here on the OnePlus Nord compared to the 6.5-inch screen on the Galaxy S20 FE. And I just realized this Pixel 5 is dead, but this is what it looks like. So y'all, I'm gonna get out here, but I just want to do a quick comparison between, well, just the screens. I was gonna do more, but I just really don't got time right now. But I will do more videos on this. Stay tuned, and I still got more accessories coming, like a wireless charger trio and things like that. Better late than never. I mean, I'm just glad that it's finally here now, so I'll do testing with the camera and all that stuff, of course. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media at EddieSantech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But yeah, y'all, that's what I'm gonna go and call it for now. So like I said, we'll do more videos on this and maybe just compare all three of these together in one video. I know that'll be pretty dope. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.